Okay, so hold on, dog. We're gonna make a video and see who can make the weirdest noise. Me and Ashley. Okay.
Oh wait, is it recording?
Yeah.
No.
For sure, dog. Okay. Pulling Narnia crap. I obviously can't make weird noise like that, cause
I'm so bored, but it's only like 9:55.
I'm not bored.
Oh, but no. I'm not supposed to videotape my sad face. It looks like Biggie. Biggie. Ooh, hippo nose. No?
Oh.
No.
No.
You try.
Ha ha ha.
Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha.
If Cody ever sees this, I
Love
love you.
Love you.
Love you to death.
Yeah.
Skillet and Jacob Grimm.
Faux shizzle my nizzle. JK.
Wow.
Ow. Yeah.
That was like a hit. Oh, you hit me.
Not really.